In this video, we're going to be looking at how you set up your SIM card and memory card in a 4G solar-powered CCTV camera. Welcome to this video. My name is David and I hope you're well wherever you are around the world. Now, for this video, we are working with a 4-lens 4G CCTV camera and we want to install our memory card right here. And for this particular memory card, I'm using a class 10 memory card because this particular camera supports full HD video recording. Now, so it's good to take a note of the different classes of memory cards available. And then as for the SIM card, I'm going to be using an Airtel 5G SIM card because obviously we know we need some bundles in this, and Airtel in Kenya is more or less the most economical one in this matter. Now, just take a note when it comes to the SIM card. Please make sure that it does not have a pin or the pin is 0000, because if you use a SIM card that has a pin, it's not going to be accepted. So our camera is right here. I want us to install our SIM card and our memory card. So I'm going to use a piece of tweezers, and down here in the PTZ camera, you have this particular flap that has a memory card drawn. And what you need to do is just lift this particular flap right here. If you have some sharp nails, you can do that as well. But I'm going to just use some tweezers. And once you do that, you're going to have access to two slots here. There's one for the SIM card and one for the memory card. Now, let's begin with the memory card, just in no particular order. And just for the sake of it, please make sure that the camera is off. As you can see at the back, we have the charging port, and then there's an off and on slider. So make sure it's off before you do this. So just make sure that is taken note of. Now we have our camera, our SD card here, and I'm just going to insert it right here. Please take note that this particular section is a little bit too tight to do this. So you may need to actually hold the memory card with your tweezers right there, and just slide in your memory card inside like that. Once you do that, you can just press it with your fingers or just make sure it's secure like that. Now the memory card is in. Now let's go for our SIM card. I'm just going to use the tweezers as well. Hold it like that and just slide it in there, and then just push it in slightly like that. So if you need to remove, just press and it's going to pop up, and then you remove it with your tweezers, or if you have some sharp nails. I'm just going to leave it in right there. It clicks inside, and once you're done, close this flap. It flaps in properly like that, and you can start off your camera for the first time. So this is more or less what happens once you do that. So it's powering on, and just give it a couple of seconds and it's going to give you the following as you wait for it.
"4G device starting. 4G device startup is complete. 4G module detected successfully. SIM card detected successfully. Connecting to the network. Please wait. Internet connected. Welcome to use cloud camera."
So there you have it. That's the installation of a SIM card and a memory card in a 4G solar-powered CCTV camera. It's super easy. It's something that you can do at home. And then once you have everything set up, it's ready to go. Please take a note of what I mentioned. The SIM card needs to have no pin, or the pin needs to be 0000. And then for you to have the internet connection, you need to have at least some data or bundles in your SIM card. Now, that's it for this video. I hope it's of value to you.